Hello, I'm Joseph, one of your teaching assistants for the Summer CS 104 course. In this video, I will show you how to install Python 3 as well as PyCharm and quickly test them out. First, we'll install Python by going to python.org/downloads, clicking the download button, and running the installer. Make sure to click the checkbox to add Python installation to your path. Also make sure to click the suggested change for the path length limit. Quickly test Python before we move on to the next installation by pressing the Windows key, typing CMD, and in the window that comes up, type Python. This will give you access to a Python interpreter. You can quit by typing exit with opening and closing parentheses after it. Now we will install PyCharm, a very nice development environment by JetBrains. Go to jetbrains.com/PyCharm, click the download button, and download the Community Edition. Once the installer has downloaded, run it. You can choose a different install location, but the default should be fine. If you know what you're doing, feel free to not select the installation options you know you won't need. For everyone else, I would suggest marking all of the checkboxes. This installation can take a few minutes. Now we're going to test out our installations. To test the built-in Python IDE idle, we can press the Windows key and begin typing Python or idle and select it when we see it. Idle will give you a prompt and you can type in Python code which will execute as each line is entered in. Now that we know that works, we will test PyCharm. Press the Windows key and begin typing PyCharm and select the application when you see it. The first time it starts up, there will be a privacy policy, theme selection, and configuration. Do the privacy policy thing, select your theme, and feel free to go with the defaults. Now PyCharm is ready to go. Select Create a New Project button, type in a project name over Untitled, verify that the base interpreter is the Python you just installed, or at least a Python 3.x flavor, and then press the Create button. It will take a moment for the project to get created, which will be the case with any brand new project. The tip screen will show up every time you open up a project with a new tip. I suggest reading at least one every time. There are all kinds of neat tricks this IDE can do. When you start working on a new project or a project that is new to your file system, PyCharm may complain that Windows is slowing it down. For our projects, this won't even be noticeable, so feel free to let PyCharm fix it or to mute the warning. Now let's create a new file by right-clicking on the folder we want the file in and selecting New and then Python File. Give the file a name and press Enter. Then you can put code in the file and run it by right-clicking on the file and selecting Run. This will create a run configuration for that file and then run it. The console output can be seen on the bottom. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in Slack.